Good afternoon. We are the fall of 2021 IMSC Capstone Project Team 1 with Danfoss.
I'm Blake Barquist.
I'm Joe Gibbons.
I'm Grace Nashlinas.
I'm Joe Straub.
And I'm Alex Ulbrich.
So to start off, we're going to talk about our objectives that are laid out here. So Danfoss has capacity issues right now where they're not being able to fulfill their demand. So we're trying to increase the production capacity by investing in the bottlenecks and also strategically putting these investment machines in the plant so that it minimizes the equipment moves, product travel, and follows this transformation goal that's shown on the right.
The current state analysis showed that there is growing demand, which is increasing every year. 2024 has shortages in multiple lines in both the assembly and machining areas. There is not the capacity in either of those areas to meet the demand. Overtime and weekend warrior crews are an expensive band-aid. This net present value chart sums up all the costs associated with the current lack of capacity. Both the additional cost of overtime related to needing more shifts in order to meet production goals and the cost of parts unable to be made at all with current machines.
So this is our plan of action. The first step having to do with the machining cells. Steps 2 through 4 are all about implementing the new test stands, attacking the bottlenecks. And then steps 5 through 8 are all about bringing in the new paint line and moving the cells that we need to in order to make it fit.
A major part of the project focused on using the AutoCAD software to move around equipment, enable to fit the new equipment that we proposed buying. And this also focused on the material flow and the future state that they would like to have.
Shown on the slide here is the NCAP localization financials. So that bottom zero line is their current capacity within their current state, and that red line shows the capacity after investment is made in the additional machines. So to summarize, it's a $40 million roughly of recovered sales, taking back away from those shortages that are shown by the black bars that are captured under the red area. Moving forward to the test stand investments, this is the same idea. It's the capacity is zero at the bottom, and the red line shows the capacity after an investment. To summarize the recaptured sales, it's just over $8 million of recovered sales for the H1 HP and $13.5 million in the H1B line.
As a final summary, you can see that the ROI is 202.6%. The upcoming excess labor costs provide a strong incentive for investing and expanding capacity. Our future state includes machine investments for current bottleneck processes, which will increase production capacity and reduce the number of shifts necessary to meet demand. The future state analysis specifically includes the implementation of new paint line and the machine relocation that will be necessary. The primary layout has a greater investment but yields more production.